Good day once again, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. We are here for part 2 of our unboxing of X-Men Archives 2009. So last time we've unboxed 36, the first 36 from the base set. So now we're going to unbox the next 36 from 37 to 72. If you're ready, let's go. So as we found out on the first video, this particular series seems to be a very bare series. Bare in a sense that it doesn't really give a lot of information to the characters or about the characters. It's just picture and their name at the back. Okay? And for an archive, that seems to be contradictory. Okay, so let's try to name all of them. Okay, so we hope to get majority right to prove that we are an X-Men fan. And we start off with, I don't know. Is this Hope? Magma. Ooh. So the power to control the magma. So off to a bad start. Let's see. This seems like Marvel Girl. Okay. Controlling the Blue Phoenix. Okay, Marvel Girl. Correct. Ooh. This is Cypher. Let me see. Mercury. So yeah, Mercury. So we have Mimic. This is Mimic copying the powers of his fellow mutants. We have Danny Monstar. Take a look at that figure, but not the eyes. It is Danny Monstar or Mirage. Okay, this seems like Morph. Let's see. Morph. Okay, yeah. So this is the Multiple Man. Okay. Jamie Braddock. The Saint of the X-Men is here, Nightcrawler. Ooh, who is this? North Star? Ah, yeah. Oh, who is this? I have no clue. Looks like an android something. Omega Sentinel. Ooh, interesting. Omega Sentinel. This is Pixie. Okay. Oh, this is the, I like this card. Polaris. This one is, I know this. I don't think it's Sync. So it's Prodigy. Correct? Prodigy. Hey, I got it. Okay, Professor X and Juggernaut. The brothers. Professor Xavier. This looks like Psylocke. Wow, another good card. Take a look at that. Okay, I'm okay to be slayed by her. We have Quicksilver doing his usual running thing. We have Rock Slide. Correct? Okay, Rock Slide. Another good card. Rogue. Although I don't like the face because of the dirt. This is Rogue. Who is this? Looks like Daredevil of the X-Men. I don't know. Sage! Ooh, I did not recognize her with this costume. Sage. Kitty Pryde. Kate Pryde. Shadowcat, of course. And this one is Shatterstar. Reflecting is Cannonball. Okay, this is Sync, correct? It should be Sync. Shola Inkosi. I don't know who that is, honestly. This one also, I'm not so familiar. This looks like one of the Brotherhood of Mutants. Siren. Ooh. Ah, yeah, okay. No need to shout anymore, Siren. These are the Starjammers. We have Raza, Chod, and Hepzibah. Ooh. Take a look at this card. Of course, we know who this is. Storm. This is Strong Guy from X-Force. Strong Guy. This one is Sunfire. Sunfire, okay. This one is I don't know. Let's see. Sunspot. Yeah. Sunfire, Sunspot. Oh, this one I know. Just have to remember. I always say Sync. So this must be Sync. Surge. Okay. I know her, but I forgot her name. Okay, I don't know you. Don't be mad if I don't know you. Why are you crying if I don't know you? Wallflower. Okay, because she is a wallflower. That's why she's crying. And then we have Warpath here. Who is this? Don't tell me this is Jubilee. Wicked. Ooh, I don't know her. But that's a wicked pose. Power to control the wind, it seems. And who are you? Wind Dancer. Okay, makes sense. This looks like Wolfsbane. Yeah. And who is this guy? He looks awfully familiar. He looks like our favorite character, Wolverine, and his clone, X-23. Okay, so we finally have it. We finally completed the base set for this Marvel 2009 X-Men Archive set. So for our video this day, please comment on the chat box which one you like the most. I would have to say the Polaris and the Storm are the ones I like from the ones we pulled today. So I want to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye and keep safe always.